Hello, my name is Todd Hall and I am the president of Glastender. The video you are about to watch is on the operation and maintenance of our dependable GT-18 glass washer.
The GT-18 is a simple and effective glass washer that, if properly maintained, will provide years of reliable service. The GT-18 is a low-temperature chemical sanitizing glass washer. Like all glass washers, it relies on the hot water supplied by a hot water heater. Since the GT-18 does not hold the rinse water for the next wash cycle, it does not have a maintenance heater. Because of this feature, the GT-18 only requires a 120-volt electrical outlet for power. Upon installing the GT-18 glass washer, the hot water line will need to be connected to a hot water supply. The water needs to be a minimum of 120 degrees Fahrenheit or 49 degrees Celsius. It is recommended that the water temperature be set at or slightly above the minimum temperature. Setting the water temperature hotter than the minimum makes the glassware more difficult to handle once the wash cycle is completed. The GT-18 uses three types of chemicals: commercial-grade low-sudsing detergent, chlorine-based sanitizer, and a rinse aid. When the GT-18 is first installed and whenever chemicals run out, the chemical pumps will need to be primed. This ensures the chemicals are flowing properly into the machine. Make sure the chemical lines are in the correct chemical container and press the priming rocker switch. Pressing the priming rocker switch at the bottom will activate the detergent pump, while pressing the rocker switch at the top will activate both the sanitizer and the rinse aid pumps. Priming the chemical pumps draws chemicals into the chemical lines. Through the viewing window in the splash guard, you will be able to see chemicals dripping into the machine. Please note, commercial-grade glass washer chemicals are very harsh and should not come in contact with the skin. If your skin should come in contact with the glass washer chemicals, rinse the affected area immediately with water. Priming the chemical pumps places undiluted chemicals into the glass washer. If left to sit, these chemicals can cause damage to the interior of the machine. Always run the glass washer immediately after priming the chemical pumps, as this will rinse the chemicals out of the machine. Another important note is that the chemicals need to be adjusted before the machine is used for the first time. Adjusting the pumps allows just the right amount of each chemical to flow into the machine for the best wash results. The chemical pumps are easily adjusted using the circuit board located inside the base of the unit. Please refer to the operation manual for more complete information on adjusting the chemical pumps. To operate the GT-18 glass washer, fill a glass rack with glassware and slide it into the machine and press the start button. The machine will sense the incoming water temperature and start the wash cycle as soon as the water reaches 120 degrees Fahrenheit or 49 degrees Celsius. The GT-18 has a front splash guard with viewing window that allows you to see if the drain stopper is up or down, or if the chemicals are getting dispensed into the machine. The viewing window also allows you to check the water level. To get a better view, the splash guard can be removed during operation. When the wash cycle begins, the drain stopper is automatically lowered, the tank fills with water, and the detergent pump begins pumping detergent into the water. During the wash cycle, the glass rack rotates inside the machine as a mixture of water and detergent is sprayed out of the spray box and onto the glassware. When the wash cycle is complete, the drain stopper automatically raises, draining the wash water. The tank is rinsed with clean water for 5 seconds, and then the drain stopper is lowered back down as the machine fills up with water again. The chemical pumps begin pumping sanitizer and rinse aid into the machine for the rinse cycle. The rinse cycle lasts 20 seconds. Once the rinse cycle is complete, the drain stopper rises, draining the rinse water from the machine. The glassware is now clean and ready to be removed from the machine. Place the glasses on a draining surface, allowing them to dry thoroughly. If glassware appears soapy or greasy when the wash and rinse cycles are completed, or if there is a chemical smell to the glassware, then the chemicals should be checked, making sure none of the containers are empty or that none of the feed lines are in the wrong container. If the chemicals are full and there is no problem with the feed lines, check the chemical level adjustments. Proper chemical adjustment will result in clean, clear glassware with no chemical odor. Another problem that may occur is that the incoming water pressure is too low and the machine does not get enough water to wash properly. If the spray box is not spraying water or the wash pump is making strange noises, check the water level in the tank. If the water level appears low, then low water pressure could be the cause. The circuit board of the unit can then be adjusted to accommodate this situation by lengthening the wash and rinse cycles by 20 seconds. This allows more time for the water to fill the tank to the appropriate level. Refer to the operation manual or the sticker on the back side of the front panel for more information. At the end of each day, the GT-18 glass washer should be thoroughly cleaned. The cleaning process is a simple procedure and does not involve any tools. First, remove the front splash guard, then remove the top of the glass washer. Next, remove the conveyor wheel. Any large debris found inside the machine, like broken glass, lemon seeds, stir sticks, and so on, should also be removed. Check the spray box, making sure none of the spray holes are clogged. If a clog is found, the spray box can easily be removed by lifting up on the spray box clamps. Use a nylon brush to scrub the holes clean. Now remove the pump inlet screen and dump any debris into the trash. Rinse and clean the inlet screen thoroughly. Next, remove the drain stopper and any debris from the lower wash tank, making sure nothing is clogging the inner pump inlet screen inside the lower wash tank. Remove the scrap tray and empty out any debris that may have passed through the inlet screen. Use a damp cloth to wipe down the entire wash tank. For more stubborn stains, use a nylon brush or a Scotch-Brite pad. Never use steel wool to clean stainless steel, as steel wool will cause the stainless steel to rust. Finally, reassemble the machine and you are ready to start the next day. Over time, the interior of the machine will get coated with a white chalky substance from the minerals found in tap water. When this happens, follow the deliming process described in the operation manual and on the front of the machine. How often you will need to delime your machine will depend on what type of water you have. One important final note. The throughput of the GT-18 can be increased by placing a glass rack landing area near the machine. Instead of loading and unloading the unit while a glass rack sits on the door, more glasses can be washed in less time if glass racks are pre-loaded and ready to be put into the machine as soon as the cycle ends. Please refer to the GT-18 glass washer operation manual for more information or visit our website at glastender.com. You may also contact our factory and speak with one of our technical service representatives.
Thank you for your interest in our GT-18 glass washer. We manufacture a complete line of bar equipment, so next time you are building a bar, give us a call and let us design a bar for you.